Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Twilio for SMS verification in no-code apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Twilio for SMS verification in your no-code app, start by creating a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in to your Twilio dashboard. After logging in, you will need to obtain your account's ID and auth token. These credentials are essential for sending SMS messages through Twilio. Next, navigate to the phone numbers section in the dashboard. Here, you can purchase a new phone number if you don't have one already. Choose a number from the list that suits your requirements. Once you've selected your number, click Buy and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. Now that you have your phone number, it's time to integrate Twilio with your no-code app. If you're using a platform like Zapier or Bubble, log into your account on that platform. Search for the Twilio integration within the platform. Connect your Twilio account using the account's ID and auth token obtained earlier. Create a new Zap or a workflow, and begin by setting the trigger for your app. This can be a new user sign-up or any action that requires SMS verification. After setting your trigger, add an action step to send an SMS through Twilio. Specify the phone number field, message body, and other relevant details. In the message body, include a verification code. Make sure to format the message correctly to comply with SMS regulations. Once your setup is complete, test the workflow to ensure everything is functioning properly. Check the logs in Twilio for any errors if the SMS does not send. If your app requires user input for verification, create a confirmation step. This can be a field where users enter the verification code they received. Finally, validate the code entered by the user against the code sent via SMS. If the codes match, proceed to authenticate the user in your app. You have now successfully installed Twilio for SMS verification in your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.